AMC and GameStop had yet another good day today. Now, I know you're looking, you're saying, AMC closed in the red, Clay. How was it a good day? Guys, we're maintaining prices above $20 per share, and that is excellent. I understand we always want to go up and up and up, but sometimes maintaining price levels is just as good as going up. It shows that we have support lines, it shows that people are willing to buy, and it shows that people are willing to hold. Now, I want to talk about something in this video because I see a lot of people out there trying to underestimate the hedge funds and underestimate the short sellers out there. I don't think that that is healthy. We see people on Twitter calling for a $20 share. If we close above $20 per share tomorrow, it's going to lead to a huge gamma squeeze. Guys, we've been through that before. I guarantee we'll go through it again. So I want to talk a little bit about that. I want to talk about why we should never underestimate the enemy and why and how we can become a more dangerous trader in this short squeeze. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit gets you guys at least 5 free stocks right now. And then any $1 crypto trade gets you $5 in free crypto. And of course, you got crypto exclusive exchanges, each with their own rewards if you want those. Couple different things, okay? Let's just address this. This hedge funds are going to be screwed if the price closes above $20 tomorrow. It's going to lead to a gamma squeeze and all of this action. The hedge funds can afford it. If you don't think that the hedge funds can afford for AMC to close above any price tomorrow, I don't know if we have a great understanding of how much money the hedge funds are in control of and how much money the hedge funds have access to and how much people are willing to bend the rules for the rich guy. You've seen the London Metals Exchange. You understand that we are up against the financial system. We are not just up against somebody shorting AMC stock. It's going to favor the current system. It's not going to favor a transfer of wealth to us. That's why we need to be the most dangerous traders that we can possibly be. And that just don't underestimate the amount of money the hedge funds. That's all I'm trying to say there. Don't underestimate their power. Don't underestimate how much money they have. You're going to begin to think that this is going to be easy, and it's not going to be easy to take billions, if not trillions of dollars from the guys that are currently in charge. So how do we become a more dangerous player in the short squeeze? We had a great conversation today about price levels. Well, you know, $1,000 seems way too low. $3,000 is the level. Oh, that's still way too low. That's still too high. You know, along the way, as we rise, temptation is going to set in. People will be tempted at 72. People will be tempted at 100. People will be tempted all the way up. I don't care what level it is, the temptation will be real. So the name of the game becomes reducing the temptation to sell your AMC shares. You're going to be seeing FUD. You're going to be seeing extremely volatility in the price of AMC. You're going to be seeing mainstream media telling you to sell your shares of AMC. You're going to be seeing people saying that this is corruption and manipulation on your end, and you're going to get in trouble if you don't sell your shares of AMC. There's going to be so much going on as the price is rising, and that price, you having more money than you've ever seen in your entire life, tempting you to click that take profit button. So what do you do now? How can you prepare in order to reduce that level of temptation? Very simple. We have to take emotions out of the trade. And anytime we have an emotional attachment to the money that we've got invested, that temptation is going to be there. So we have to go through steps in order to reduce that temptation. And the best thing that you can do is simply come up with your trading plan now and follow that trading plan as it plays out, as opposed to allowing your emotions to make your decisions along the way. Some of the things that you should look at. Clearly, I can't make the plan for you, but I can tell you some things that you can look at and determine what might be best for you and go through a couple different plans and strategies, and you can pick and choose from and see, oh yeah, you know what? That does sound very good to me. That follows my risk management, that shows me that I still have potential, and all of these different things that you can look at. Stop losses and take profits. Now, I understand stop loss hunting, and I understand people don't like stop losses because if it pulls back at all, you're likely to get triggered, and then the stock can continue to rise from there. But, guys, the name of the game is to make money. If you pass your level that you've got in mind, you want to make $1,000 on the AMC stock short squeeze. If it goes up to $1,100, yeah, I understand that a $100 pullback is only about a 10% pullback, and the volatility that we're going to be seeing, 10% pullbacks are all but guaranteed to be happening. You know, you get a stop loss on the amount of money that you're willing to walk away with, but you allow the stock to roll as high as it can possibly go. That's a strategy. You've guaranteed your money. You've guaranteed how much money you think is life-changing money in AMC stock, and you let it ride. Take profits. You could take your profit at $1,000 a share and take 90% of your stocks off the table. Take 50% of your stocks off the table. Take 95% of your stocks off the table. You know, there's so many different strategies to look at, but those are two things that you can determine now before you get in, and you're going to have less emotion trading. If you're a little bit more finely tuned and you say, you know what, the market movement doesn't bother me too much, you can look at different things like the amount of shares being traded, the short interest that's outstanding, and make your determination now. You know, if we have 1 billion shares being traded, it's game time. AMC is on. If it starts to move lower after 1 billion share day, when the hedge funds clearly could have covered their reported shares outstanding, then that might be your trigger to make a determination whether or not you should be getting out or watching your shares more closely, and so on. If you're looking at short interest numbers and you believe in Ortex, as soon as Ortex starts to estimate lower numbers and you trust Ortex on their AMC calculation, then you can go ahead and say, okay, well, these short squeeze numbers are no longer, I guess, conducive to a massive short squeeze. It's time for me to get out. You can look at so many different things, but what it all boils down to is you have your plan in place now, and you do not let your emotions get the best of you as the price of AMC stock is rising. Whether it is a percentage gain, whether it is a dollar amount, whether it is a certain price point on AMC, whether it's a combination of all of it, whether it's you waiting and determining, the only thing that we don't want to see is reliance on somebody else. You make your own trades. It is your money. It is nobody else's money. And you move forward knowing that you have made the right decision for you. If we take the emotion out of the game and we are willing to hold no matter what happens, we are dangerous. Guys, they will tempt you and tell you to sell the entire way up. But that's because they don't want to lose everything they have. And that is what's at stake here. Everything that they've got invested. Guys, I want to know down in the comments below if you're still excited about the price movement and price action in AMC and in GameStop. I don't have any GameStop. I do have AMC, but I'm excited about what's going on there and the recent rallies that we've seen. So let us know in the comments below. Get excited. Throw those diamond-handed emojis up. And if this button right here is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. We will Binance, Gemini, Crypto.com. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.